In this video, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube desktop on a mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome if you're on an Android device, or if you're on an iOS device, go ahead and open up Safari or anything like that, basically your web browser. You don't want to directly open the YouTube app. All right, afterwards, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top left and select on this house icon right over here. So please go ahead and press on that. Then it is going to bring you to something that looks like this. Now, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and go to the top right and press on these three bars and make sure that desktop site is actually selected. This is going to allow us to access the desktop on our mobile device. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just look up YouTube just like so. Look up youtube.com just like this, then go ahead and press on go. Then it is going to go ahead and open up youtube.com on the web browser. Make sure that you, of course, are signed into your YouTube account. And you will notice that it basically looks like the mobile version, but now let's turn it into desktop. So go ahead and go to the top right, press on these three bars, then make sure that desktop site is selected. So let's go ahead and select on that. And as you're able to tell, it now looks exactly like the PC. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and do whatever you need to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.